Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Vishakha. I'm Vishakha Mishra and today I'm going to teach you class 6 geography chapter number 2 globe, latitude and the longitude part 2. Part 1 I have already made and you will be getting the link in the description box. In this part we'll be discussing about latitude, heat zones, longitude and time and Indian standard time. Our first topic is latitude. The imaginary lines circling around the Earth from east to west are called latitude, but they measure the distance from the north to south. Our next topic is heat zones. There are three heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and the frigid zone. As you know that earth receives different amount of heat in the different area. It is just because the shape of the earth which is geoid, which means that earth is bulgy from the middle and the flat on the poles. So earth receives the maximum amount of heat in the torrid zone, which is start from the equator to tropic of cancer and equator to tropic of capricorn. In this area earth receives the maximum amount of heat of the sun. And the next comes is the temperate zone. What is temperate zone now? In this area earth receives less amounts of heat, which starts from the north tropic of cancer to arctic circle, and in the south tropic of capricorn to the antarctic circle. Lastly, we have frigid zone, which receives very less amount heat of the sun. It starts from arctic circle to the north pole and antarctic circle to the south pole. With the help of this diagram, you'll be able to understand the three heat zones on the earth. The middle area which you see on the earth colored with yellow and brown is torrid zone, which is very hot and humid throughout the year. And it starts from equator to tropic of capricorn and then again equator to the tropic of cancer. Now let's see this green zone. One green zone you can find it in the northern part, and one green zone also you can find it in the southern part of the earth. Okay, so this green zone is known as the temperate zone, which is not too hot or not too cold. It means the temperature in both of the green zones are moderate. It starts from the tropic of capricorn to the antarctic circle in the southern part and tropic of cancer to arctic circle in the northern part. Now let's move to the last zone, which is frigid. Now both of the area which colored in the green, they are called the frigid zone, which receives very less amount of the heat of the sun, which starts from the arctic circle to the north pole and the antarctic circle to the south pole. These area always remain cold throughout the year. Hope you understand. Let's move to our further topic, which is longitude. So, what are longitude? It's my own definition and it's very easy to understand. So, longitudes are semicircle vertical lines. They run from north pole to the south pole, but they measure distance from the east to west. Understand? Hope you find it very easy. These are the semicircles and vertical lines. Let's know something more about the longitude. 180 on east and 180 on west side. Therefore, there are total number of longitudes 360. Prime meridian passes through the Greenwich, London, which is value of 0 degree is called the prime meridian, which divides the earth into two equal halves, which is the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. All the parallels of longitude are equal in length and playing significant role in deciding the time of any place. Now let's understand what is grid. So there you see the lines of latitudes and here you see the lines of longitude. So they make a grid like pattern on the earth. Okay, so the pattern is looking like this these are the latitudes, the horizontal line, and these are the longitude, the vertical lines. And these lines of latitude and longitudes are very helpful in locating places on the earth. Our next topic is longitude and time. So as I told you that total number of longitudes are 360 and earth rotates in 24 hours. So there are 24 time zones on the earth. which means that Earth rotates 15 degree per hour. Okay, so it means that 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, so if, for example, if there is 12 o'clock on the Greenwich which is on 0 degree, so the time of 15 degree east will be 1 hour ahead. How to find out this? So what you have to do, you have to multiply 15 4 times. Okay, then you will be getting the 60. So it means that 1 hour ahead. So if the country is ahead of the Greenwich, then the timings comes into the plus, and if the country is before the Greenwich, the times comes into the minus. Hope you understand. Let's understand with the help of this diagram. This red line shows the prime meridian which is passing through London or Greenwich. Okay, so this is the ahead or eastern hemisphere. This is the western hemisphere. Okay, the states or countries which are lying into the eastern hemisphere are getting the or are having the plus timing zone, and the countries which are in the western hemisphere are having the minus. As you can see over here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from the Greenwich time. Our next topic is Indian Standard Time, IST. India is located in the northern hemisphere. As I told you earlier that there are 24 time zones and each country is having its own time. Okay, so India's extent from 8.4 downwards, from 8.4 latitude to the 37.6 latitude in the north, and the longitude extent of India is from 64.7 to 97.25 in the west. So there is at least 1 hour 45 minutes difference from Dwarka to Dibrugarh, Assam, and then it is necessary to adopt the local time for the whole country and make a standard time for our country. So therefore 82.30 degree east longitude which is passing from Allahabad is taken as the Indian standard time. In this part we discussed about latitude, heat zones, longitude and time, and Indian standard time. Hope you like my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.